Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Mustang battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Before starting, locate your battery. It is typically found in the trunk or sometimes under the hood, depending on the model. Next, we will disconnect the battery terminals. Always start with the negative terminal first. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the nut. Once loose, carefully remove the negative cable and ensure it cannot accidentally touch the battery. Then, repeat this exact process for the positive terminal, removing its cable as well. With the cables disconnected, your next step is to remove the battery's hold-down mechanism. This could be a clamp, strap, or bolt system designed to secure the battery in place. Use the appropriate wrench or socket to loosen and completely remove this hold down. Ensure the battery is now entirely free within its tray. Finally, it is time to remove the battery. Carefully lift the old battery straight up and out of its tray. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing 40 pounds or more, so lift with your legs. Once removed, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminal connections thoroughly before placing your new battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.